I think why customers choose high-value manufacturing is for the breadth of knowledge and the experience we deliver and bring to our customers. Our customers want immediate results.
Well, I think the first and primary thing that we and I do, and I think HVMC does really well, is that we go into it with an open mind. We don't have any predeterminations about what the problem is.
With high-value manufacturing, we come in, we get dirty with the people on the floor. We come in blue jeans, t-shirts, ready to work with your people, show them exactly what needs to be fixed, and work with them to make sure that it gets fixed properly and that they understand the why of what we're doing.
When you're dealing with a manufacturer's problems, you have to tailor make the solutions for that manufacturer. And there are no cookie cutter answers for dealing with a client's problem.
We're there to help you through the process of understanding what the issues are, and then we're going to be there alongside of you working through the problems.
I tell people our cost savings can be 3 to 5 times what our competitors are, just because of the way of our cost structure and the level of experience that people we bring to bear on their problems.
We're not there to find fault with what they're doing. We're there to help them find a new way of becoming more efficient, more effective, have higher quality, etc.